Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to take a screenshot on Microsoft Teams. Screenshots are incredibly useful in a variety of situations, especially when using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to troubleshoot an issue or demonstrate a specific point to your team members, sharing a screenshot can be the fastest and most effective way to visually communicate what you're seeing on your screen. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just in need of a quick refresher, this guide is designed to walk you through the process of taking screenshots smoothly and efficiently. First things first, to begin capturing screenshots in Microsoft Teams, you need to access the Microsoft Teams platform. Start by navigating to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your account credentials, so go ahead and log in using your Microsoft Teams account details. This step is essential as it allows you to access your team's dashboard and all the features it offers. Once you're successfully signed in, direct your attention to the chat section of Microsoft Teams. You might be part of many teams and ongoing conversations, but for today's purpose, we are focusing specifically on capturing content from your chats. The chat feature is vital as it holds all your individual and group conversations, providing an easy way to communicate with your colleagues. Now, scroll through your chat list to find the specific conversation where you want to take a screenshot. It could be a particular message, an image, or any piece of content shared within the chat that you wish to capture. Once you've identified what you want to screenshot, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Here comes the crucial part, taking the actual screenshot. Most keyboards are equipped with a print screen key, often abbreviated as PRT scan. When you're ready to capture your screen, simply press this key. What this action does is capture an image of your entire screen as it appears at that moment. After capturing your image, the next step involves pasting the screenshot. Click inside the chat text box where you usually type your messages. If you're on a Windows machine, press Ctrl and V simultaneously to paste the screenshot. If you're using a Mac, the combination is Command and V. This action pastes the screenshot directly into your chat message box. Finally, to send the screenshot to your chat, simply click on the Send button, which is usually represented by an arrow or a paper plane icon located next to the message box. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your screenshot with your team member or colleague. If your needs require more precision than a full screen capture, Windows offers a built-in tool called the Snipping Tool. This handy feature allows you to select specific areas of your screen to capture, giving you more control over what you share. It can be particularly useful when you need to focus on only a part of your screen. And that's all there is to capturing and sharing screenshots in Microsoft Teams. With this simple guide, you'll be able to quickly share visuals with your colleagues, making communication clearer and more effective. Whether it's a full screen capture with the print screen key or a specific area using the snipping tool, the goal is to make collaboration and troubleshooting as seamless as possible. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to take a screenshot on Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to take a screenshot on Microsoft Teams, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.